What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at Anker's latest Nano USB charging station. Now, they sent me this over to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. Now, as far as what comes in the box, you're going to get the charging station itself. You will get a power cable because this, of course, plugs into the wall. And then there is this nice little like Velcro travel pouch here that allows you to put the charging station on one side and the cable on the other. So this is definitely designed for travel. Now, as we take a look at this, you can see just how thin and just how small this is, which again makes it really great for travel. That's probably why they're calling this Nano, because it is very small and you get 6 USB ports. So your power is going to be right there on the back, and then you have 4 USB type C's right there, and then 2 USB type A's. Those USB type A's are going to be 12 watts. And then when it comes to your USB type C's, it's going to be 20 watts, 65 watts, and 100 watts with a total output of 130 watts overall. So if you connect multiple devices, it's going to share that 130 watts throughout. But having that 100 watt connection means that you can charge a laptop with this, which is really great. Using this is extremely simple. So I've gone ahead and plugged it in. And when you do plug it in, there is just that little indication right there, that little ring that lets you know that power is going to the device, but there's no screen on this or anything like that. Now we're going to test that 100 watt port just to make sure it does pull 100 watts. So I have this battery bank here, which charges at 100 watts. So we're plugged in there. This is going to charge. And then let's see how fast we are charging. 47 watts, 460. It's going to go up 80. 82, 85, 87, almost up to, there it is, 90, 91. Keep on going. So this will charge up to 100 watts on that first type C port. So again, if you did want to charge a laptop, you can easily go ahead and do that. And now just to show you this fully in action here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 devices plugged in at once. Of course, you can do up to 6, but I have 5. I have my laptop. I have an iPad. I have that same battery bank that we were charging before. I have my iPhone, and then I have another power bank here. So I'm charging 5 devices. This makes it the perfect USB charger. And like I said, it's thin and light. And the thing that I also really like about it too is that it's really made for travel. So, you know, you go to the hotel and they have like one USB charger or something like that, or you have all of your chargers for all of your devices. This is just one charger that you can easily take with you to charge all of your devices all at the same time. Like I said, max output of 130 watts, which covers quite a lot. And like I said, you can charge a laptop, you can charge fast charging devices with this. So if you are looking for a great USB power station, this is one that I would definitely recommend.